The moment we all enter through that gate, the decision is to become employers. So the traditional college makes you successful professionally. The institute makes you an employer automatically. Are we together? You want to be taught by people who tell you what money is. It's people that are holding money. Are we together? This should excite you. I'm hoping this message should excite you. It's people that are holding money, not people that are telling you about money. Are we together? It's people that are giving what they're telling you. So it's more practical, it's not a traditional way of learning.
Sometimes we think our greatest need is financial capital for us to become successful entrepreneurs. Yes, financial capital has a role, but the most important thing that we need is knowledge. Because if financial capital was indeed king, as we put it, then those that have gotten loans, those that have gotten pensions, would have become successful entrepreneurs, but they have lost their savings because they didn't know how to run businesses. And I've said it before that a person has no right to tell another on how to build $1 million business if they don't have money themselves.
I feel great. It's actually something I was looking forward to. The moment I saw it online, I was like, this, I have to make it, like I have to apply for it whichever way. Yeah, so I'm really excited to be here. It's a place to be right now.
What I expect from the training that we undertake here is that at the end of it, I need to be able to stand on my own and do something as an entrepreneur, be able to use the little resources that I have to grow them by be able to engaging in projects that will see myself employing others, even as it brings more return to me.
I am so excited, like I can't even put it in words how much I am so excited to be here. I'm so excited that I'm going to be meeting a lot of like-minded individuals who I can interact with on a level that's just so different, and I'm so excited about the things that the skills that I'm going to be getting from here and what I'm going to be exposed to.
My highest expectation from the institution is to learn entrepreneurship practically, because we have read so much about entrepreneurship and there's less of practicality of it. So my greatest expectation is to learn the entrepreneurial skills in a practical way.